Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another session of Medina Arabic Book 1. In the previous video, we started with lesson number 3, and today we'll continue with the same lesson. So let's begin. Bismillah. So we learned about converting indefinite noun, which is a or an, and we had that by having tanween or dammatan on top, right, to denote that this is indefinite noun. However, to convert this indefinite noun to definite, like in English definite noun, we add the, right. Similarly, in Arabic we will add alif lam before the noun to make it definite. So along with adding alif lam, we will eliminate one of the dhamma from the dhamma 10 from this tanween and just put one dhamma on top at the end of the noun. Okay, to make any indefinite noun definite, we will add alif lam plus we will have just one dhamma at the end of the noun. So let's see this sentence over here. The first sentence is Al-kitabu jadidun. Al-kitabu jadidun. Wal-qalamu qadimun. Wal-qalamu qadimun. Al-kitabu jadidun wal-qalamu qadimun. Al-kitabu jadidun wal-qalamu qadimun. Now, al-kitabu means the book. Okay, we have learned kitabun, right? We have learned kitabun meaning a book. So to make this indefinite noun definite, we have added alif, lam, and we have removed one of the dhamma from the dhammatin from the tanween and just kept one dhamma on top. So kitabun, we made this al-kitabu meaning the book. So here we are talking about a specific book. Okay, al-kitabu jadidun. Jadidun means new. Jadidun means new. Al-kitabu jadidun. Al-kitabu jadidun meaning the book is new. Al-kitabu jadidun means the book is new. Wal-qalamu qadimun. Wal-qalamu qadimun. Wa means and. Al-qalamu. Al-qalamu means the pen. Wal-qalamu qadimun. Qadimun means old. Wal-qalamu qadimun means and the pen is old. Al-kitabu jadidun wal-qalamu qadimun. Al-kitabu jadidun wal-qalamu qadimun. Al-kitabu jadidun means the book is new. Al-kitabu jadidun means the book is new. Wal-qalamu qadimun means and the pen is old. Wal-qalamu qadimun and the pen is old. Al-kitabu jadidun wal-qalamu qadimun. The book is new and the pen is old. Okay. So final translation is the book is new and the pen is old. Second statement, Al-himaru saghirun wal-hisanu kabirun. Al-himaru saghirun wal-hisanu kabirun. Al-himaru means the donkey. Al-himaru means the donkey. Saghirun means small. Saghirun means small. Al-himaru saghirun meaning the donkey is small. Okay. Al-himaru saghirun means the donkey is small. Wal-hisanu kabirun. Wal-hisanu kabirun. Wa means and. Al-hisanu means the horse. Okay. Wal-hisanu kabirun. Kabirun means big. Okay. So final translation is Wal-hisanu kabirun meaning and the horse is big. الحمار صغير والحصان كبير. الحمار صغير والحصان كبير. The donkey is small and the horse is big. الحمار صغير والحصان كبير. الحمار صغير والحصان كبير. The donkey is small and the horse is big. Now the third statement, الكرسي مكسور. الكرسي مكسور. الكرسي means the chair. مكسور means broken. مكسور means broken. الكرسي مكسور. الكرسي مكسور. الكرسي مكسور meaning the chair is broken. Okay? الكرسي مكسور, the chair is broken. الكرسي مكسور means the chair is broken. Now, fourth statement, المنديل وثيق. المنديل وثيق. المنديل means handkerchief or a piece of cloth or a napkin. Okay? المنديل means the handkerchief. المنديل وثيق. وثيق means dirty. Okay? وثيق means dirty. المنديل وثيق. المنديل وثيق. The handkerchief is dirty. The handkerchief is dirty. المنديل وثيق. The handkerchief is dirty. Okay, next statement, الماء بارد. الماء بارد. Over here it is Hamza. الماء بارد. الماء means the water and baridun means cold. Al-ma'u baridun meaning the water is cold. Al-ma'u, the water, baridun, cold. Al-ma'u baridun meaning the water is cold. Now, next statement, Al-qamaru jamilun. Al-qamaru jamilun. Al-qamaru means the moon. Okay? Al-qamaru, the moon. Jamilun means beautiful. Okay? Al-qamaru jamilun meaning the moon is beautiful. Al-qamaru meaning the moon. Jamilun means beautiful. Final translation is the moon is beautiful. Next statement, Al-baytu qaribun wal masjidu ba'idun. Okay? Al-baytu qaribun wal masjidu ba'idun. Al-baytu means the house. Qaribun means near. Wa means and. Al-masjidu means the masjid or mosque. And ba'idun means far. Okay? Ba'idun means far. Al-baytu qaribun wal masjidu ba'idun. Al-baytu qaribun wal masjidu ba'idun meaning the house is near and the masjid is far. Okay? The house, al-baytu, is near. Al-baytu qaribun wal masjidu and the masjid ba'idun meaning is far. Okay? Okay. Next statement. Al-hajaru thaqilun wal waraqu khafifun. Al-hajaru thaqilun wal waraqu khafifun. Al-hajaru means the stone. Okay? Al-hajaru, the stone. Thaqilun means heavy. Thaqilun means heavy. Al-hajaru thaqilun means the stone is heavy. Al-hajaru thaqilun means the stone is heavy. Wal waraqu, wa means and. Waraqu means paper. Warak means paper. Okay. Wal waraku khafifun. Khafifun means light. So al hajaru saqilun means the stone is heavy. Wal waraku khafifun, and warak means paper, and the paper is light. Okay. Al hajaru saqilun wal waraku khafifun. The stone is heavy and the paper is light. Al hajaru thaqilun wal waraqu khafifun. The stone is heavy and the paper is light. Now, ninth statement, al labanu harun. Al labanu harun. Al labanu means the milk. Okay. Al labanu means the milk. Harun means hot. Harun means hot. Final translation is the milk is hot. Al-labanu harun, the milk is hot. Al-labanu harun, the milk is hot. Okay, last statement. Al-qamisu nazifun. Al-qamisu nazifun. Al-qamisu means the shirt, and nazifun means clean. Okay, nazifun means clean. Okay, al-qamisu nazifun, meaning the shirt is clean or tidy. Okay, al-qamisu nazifun. Al-qamisu nazifun, the shirt is clean. So let's revise all the statements that we have covered up today. The first statement is al-kitabu jadidun wal qalamu qadimun. Al-kitabu jadidun wal qalamu qadimun. The book is new. Okay, the book is new and the pen is old. Al-kitabu jadidun, the book is new. Wal qalamu qadimun, and the pen is old. Second statement, al-himaru saghirun wal hisanu kabirun. Al-himaru saghirun wal hisanu kabirun. The donkey is small. Al-himaru saghirun, the donkey is small. Wal hisanu kabirun, and the horse is big. Wal hisanu kabirun, and the horse is big. Third statement, al-kursiyu maksurun. Al-kursiyu maksurun, meaning the chair is broken. Okay, the chair is broken. Al-kursiyu maksurun, the chair is broken. Al-mindilu wasiqun. Al-mindilu wasiqun, the handkerchief is dirty. Al-mindilu wasiqun, the handkerchief is dirty. Fifth statement, al-ma'u baridun. Al-ma'u baridun, meaning the water is cold. Baridun means cold. Baridun, it means cold. Al-ma'u baridun, the water is cold. Next statement, al-qamaru jamilun. Al-qamaru jamilun, meaning the moon is beautiful. Al-qamaru jamilun, the moon is beautiful. Al-baytu qaribun wal masjidu ba'idun. Al-baytu qaribun wal masjidu ba'idun, meaning the house is near. Al-baytu qaribun, the house is near. Wal masjidu ba'idun, and the masjid is far. Next statement, al-hajaru saqilun wal waraqu khafifun. Al-hajaru saqilun, the stone is heavy. Wal waraqu khafifun, and the paper is light. Al-hajaru saqilun wal waraqu khafifun. The stone is heavy and the paper is light. Al-labanu harun. Al-labanu harun. Al-labanu harun. Harun means hot. Al-labanu harun, the milk is hot. Al-labanu harun, the milk is hot. And final statement, al-qamisu nazifun. Al-qamisu nazifun, the shirt is clean. Al-qamisu nazifun, the shirt is clean. So that's it for today's session. In the next video, we'll continue with the exercise of lesson number 3, inshallah. Until then, Jazakallah khair and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.